Hello, friends. Welcome to another episode from HoneyLemonGinger. Today's recipe is a dessert. It's healthy, delicious, full of vitamins and antioxidants, minerals, and very high in protein. Stay tuned to listen to some health benefits. And now let's start with the recipe with soaking the chia seeds. Use pasture-raised eggs for maximum health benefits. And a gentle reminder, don't forget to hit those like, subscribe and share buttons please. Maple syrup provides essential minerals like calcium, potassium, iron, zinc and manganese, and it has a low glycemic index. Chia seeds is an excellent source of fiber which can promote heart health, reduce cholesterol levels, and promote intestinal health. Since fiber takes longer to digest, it also promotes weight loss. And fresh fruits with lots of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Nuts for heart health and brain health. Always remember, sugar is sugar. Too much sugar is bad for your health, regardless of what type of sugar you have. So moderation is recommended. So good. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel for more. Until next time with another great episode from Honey Lemon Ginger Holistic Health Coaching.